Can you make a half lap joint with your circular saw? Let me show you. Step 1, set the depth of your circular saw blade to be half of your material thickness. Step 2, mark where you want to cut each piece. Step 3, make your first cut along the line. A speed square can be really helpful for keeping your line straight. Step 4, keep cutting next to your previous cut until you cut the whole section. Step 5, chisel out any extra wood until it's smooth. Then add glue to connect your boards. Follow for DIY tips, easy DIYs, and inspiring projects to help you build with confidence.